In the previous segments, we have discussed a number of concepts related to deep drawing process. In this segment, we will watch a couple of videos and reinforce the concepts that we have discussed. So in the first video, you could see that we are having a large press, and here is the blank holder. So we are having a rectangular blank. So in order to hold that blank into position, we are having this rectangular blank holder that will hold the blank, and within this blank holder, the drawing punch will actuate to perform the drawing operation. So the blank holder has held the blank into position, and now this punch is performing the drawing operation. Now the part is being ejected from the die, and you could see it is a large part that has been drawn. So drawn parts could be as small as this one, and they could be as large as the one shown here in this video. So we need a blank holder to hold the blank into position, a drawing punch, and in this case, you could see the spring at the bottom of the die to eject the part from the die. So you could see we are having a large blank that is being drawn, and we are having automatic material handling in this case as well because the part is large. And here you could see the trimming operation will be performed to remove this edge of the drawn part. So trimming is a type of cutting operation that is sometimes performed after deep drawing process. So once again, you could see the blank holder that controls the flow of the blank into the die, the punch and the die. And once again, this is the blank holder. Because we are having a circular blank, so the blank holder will also have a circular shape, a ring shape. And in this case, we are having inverted die. The die is at the top, this one, the punch is at the bottom, and we have made this large part that is axisymmetric. So the drawing operation depends upon a number of factors, including the draw reduction severity that is calculated using drawing ratio or reduction, as we discussed in one of the segments, the metal properties, the metal thickness, and the lubrication that is applied to the die or the blank. In the next segment, we will watch another video to reinforce the concepts that we have discussed. So here you could see a circular blank that is being positioned onto the die, and again, you should visualize that this diameter of the blank needs to be accurately calculated depending upon the size and shape of the part that we are making. And it should be properly positioned. And in this case, we are having inverted die. So die is at the top and punch is at the bottom. So you could see the die will move downward, punch will be stationary. And we will be able to make a hollow symmetric part in this case as well. So you could see the part has been made. This is another example of a deep drawing process. Here the part that we are drawing is large in size. So you could see that we are having a large circular blank, and once again the diameter of this blank needs to be accurately calculated depending upon the size of the part. So this blank should be properly positioned. And in this case, we are having inverted die again. So die is at the top, punch is at the bottom. So die will move downward. And please notice that in all these videos that we have seen in this segment, the press being used is a hydraulic press, because we have to apply continuously smooth force. So hydraulic press is more appropriate to perform deep drawing operation. So as it is a large part, so force will be applied for a longer time duration than we saw in the previous video, because the part was simple and smaller in that case. Now the die is opening and the part has not been removed yet. This is the punch actually. This one is the punch that made the inner features of the part. So part has not been ejected, so it will be mechanically ejected from the die. So now the part has been ejected. So you could see actually this inner side of the part is made by the punch uh, that will be shown right now. This is the punch. This one. This one was the punch that made the inner features of the part. And outer features were made by the die. So this is the part that has been made. So this is another video where a similar part is being made, a circular blank is placed on the press and the blank is being lubricated. So lubrication is very important in the case of deep drawing, and you could notice the part being made. So this is the die and this is the shell that being made. So this is the die. So blank has been placed and it will be drawn. So you could notice more clearly here the deep drawing process. So again, you could see the die, you could see the part that is being drawn. Now this drawn part is being placed onto a new die and ironing operation is being performed to make the walls more smooth and wrinkle free. Now after ironing, the part will be moved to next press. And here trimming operation is being performed at the edges, and you could see the holes are being made. And after hole making at the press, the deburring operation is being performed. So you could see the shape of the collar is being changed. So that is the trimming operation as well as holes are being made, and then the deburring operation is being performed.